How to find drafts on Instagram. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. So right over here at the bottom, you can see the plus icon, or on your profile at the top right. And once you click on there, you can decide to create a new post, like an actual post, a story, a reel, or you can go live. Now in order to actually find your drafts, it is actually very easy. So you want to go over there, and under recents, for a normal post, you can already see drafts right over here. This is where my drafts are saved, as you can see. And yeah, super easy, right? Now for a reel, it is a little bit different. So you want to go to reel, and then once you're here, at the bottom left, where you can add something to your reel from your photos, you can click on there, and then you can also see drafts at the top left. So if you have multiple, you can click on there, and you can see all your drafts over here. Now this one is super short. I just recorded this one real quick. And yeah, now I can just do anything I want and add something to this draft. So that's super easy. I hope this very quick video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did and if it actually helped you out. And then I will see you next time. Have a good day.